me, Tiffany, and I'm back with another mukbang. Not just any mukbang. What? Today is a Santa Fe style salad day. I did add some chicken wings to the mix, but that is because I wanted to try some of these new sauces with chicken wings. We tried them the other day with burgers, and so today I'm going to try them with chicken wings. Okay, so the Santa Fe style salad that I have, I'm gonna try to show you all as much as I can. It has romaine lettuce, white meat chicken, roasted corn, 4 cheese blend, tortilla chips, and salsa ranch dressing. Doesn't that look delicious? Check it out. Okay, so that is my salad for the day. Because you know it's salad week. And I'm going to try this out. So let's see how this salad tastes. Who would like the first bite? All right. Delicious. I love that salsa ranch dressing. It sort of reminds me of the dressing that they used to give you in the Taco Bell salads. This is amazing. So guys, I'm drinking Pepsi today. I would like to just say Happy Mother's Day to everyone. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. I hope you're all having a great day, a blessed, beautiful day. Our plans sort of got ruined today because it's really, really pouring down rain outside and snowing. Yeah, in May. So anyhow, and it's really, really cold out. It's like in the 40s. So I didn't really want to go anywhere. So we just decided to stay in. But I will show you guys how my day went in the rest of this video. I'll put up some pictures. I'll put up a little clip of everything else. But let me just share with you one of my cards from one of the girls. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. And then in the inside, it says, moms are the protectors, the caregivers, the advice givers, and mentors. Thank you, Mom. That is from Gabriella, G-Force Journey. It says, I love you on the back. And then Little Boo wrote her name and did the card on the front. She didn't put anything inside because she said she really doesn't know how to write things just yet, but that's okay. I love the card just the way it is. It's got her name on it. That's good enough for me. And it's got colors everywhere, so it's cute. Gabriella had also, I forgot to tell you, an envelope inside of here, which I already opened up. It was a homemade envelope, and it had little coupons inside, which I used 2 of them last night. One was a foot massage, and absolutely no talking, peace and quiet for 15 minutes. So I used both of those coupons as soon as I got it, okay? And then there were some other coupons like breakfast prepared for you, spa day, mani-pedi. So I had some coupons in there. That was a really fun idea. Next, Big Belly Boo Boo, my husband of 17 years, decided that because I mentioned the other day that I would like to have one of those fruit edible arrangements. However, I don't want to pay $100 for them, and that's what they cost. Like, I would like to have one, but not that bad. So I said to him, no, I don't want one of those because I would never want to spend $100 on that. So, without me knowing, like, he prepared this beautiful edible arrangement, which you will see in the pictures because it's gone. I can't show it to you. All by himself, he prepared it before I even got up this morning. And so when I woke up, it was already prepared, sitting in a little coffee mug, a cute little coffee mug. And then there was this card to go with it. So this card says, "To my wife on Mother's Day," with a flower. And then it says, "Happy Mother's Day, I love you." Now, I can tell you this. Cheesy, right? But I love it. I love the fact that he made me a card and made me an edible arrangement on his own. That took some thought. And honestly, you know, in 17 years, he has never done that for me. So I thought that was a really, really great idea, and I loved it. So I hope when you guys see the picture, you think it's really cool too. I'm kind of like, I'm never that person who wants somebody to spend money on me, because that's not me. I usually like to spend money on others, or, you know, share my blessings with other people, or spend it on the kids. So I thought that was really great. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try some of these sauces. I'm going to try this golden sweet and tangy secret sauce first, because I feel like this is going to be the best one to go with chicken. And we'll see. We'll see if it is. I have no idea. I don't know. I've never had it yet with chicken. We only used it on burgers the other day. So we'll see. Once the first bite. Okay. That's the one. That is the sauce. That is amazing with chicken. Now I'm going to try the other two. But this is really good. Yum. And this is what I decided I wanted for Mother's Day. My salad and chicken wings. I didn't want to go out anywhere in the rain. I didn't really feel like having Big Belly Boo Boo cook me anything big or anything like that. So when he asked me what I wanted, this is what I told him, and he made it. And he did make me breakfast this morning too. Which I never eat breakfast, but I did this morning because he made it for me. If y'all don't know by now, yes, chicken wings are my favorite food. Yes. So now, let's try this other sauce, okay? Let me try the spicy. Spicy, hot, and zesty it is. Let's put this one here. All right. And here's the sauce for those of you that don't know what it is. It's spicy, hot, and zesty. Let's try that one. See, now that one's good too. This one I think would be good even if you baked it on. Put chicken in the oven, pour that sauce on it, some rice around it. Oh, that would be delicious. There goes an idea. There was two things I was craving today. And that was either going to be my chicken wings or some noodles. For some reason, I really wanted some ramen today. I sure did. I wanted some ramen. All right, now let's try this original and let's just see. We'll stick this one over there. And this is the original secret sauce. Okay. Let's try this one out. See, now I don't know, because they're all three delicious with this. I can't say I have a favorite. Put all three of these sauces here, and all three are absolutely delicious with this chicken. Guys, if you have not tried the new Hidden Valley Ranch secret sauces, there are 3 of them. Okay, Go and check them out. There's 3. They are delicious. They are really good. I'm gonna get back to my salad before I get full. Because this salad is amazing too. And again, this is called the Santa Fe style salad. I love the little tortilla chips in it. The little roasted corn. Most of all, the salsa ranch dressing is amazing. Wow. This is also good, but I'm so full. And I'm going to spend the rest of my Mother's Day with my family and enjoy my time until Big Belly Boo Boo has to go to work. Then I will spend it with my girls. We're just watching movies, hanging out, having a good time. We're going to paint nails, do some fun things. So, you all remember, happy Mother's Day. And stay blessed, not stressed. Until our next video. Bye, guys.